How fix Messenger confirm your identity to send messages problem you open Messenger, try to send a message. And suddenly you get hit with a prompt saying confirm your identity to send messages, and now you are completely locked out of sending anything. This is one of the most frustrating things Messenger does to its users, and the worst part is most people have no idea why it happened or how to fix it. Stay right here because I am going to explain exactly why this happens and walk you through every step to get it resolved fast. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling the Messenger confirm your identity to send messages problem, what causes it, what it actually means, and most importantly how to fix it step by step. This affects both iPhone and Android users, and it has been hitting a lot of accounts recently, so let's get straight into the solutions. Step 1. Understand why this is happening so you know exactly what you are dealing with. Meta triggers this identity confirmation prompt when their system flags unusual activity on your account. This could be because you logged in from a new device, your location changed, you were sending messages too quickly, someone reported your account. Or Meta's automated system simply detected something it considered suspicious. This is a security and spam prevention measure on Meta's end. It is not necessarily a sign that your account is banned or permanently restricted. Step 2. When the confirmation prompt appears, do not ignore it and do not keep trying to send messages repeatedly. Tap on the Confirm Your Identity button or the Get Started option that appears within the prompt itself. Meta will guide you through a verification process, and the faster you engage with it rather than trying to work around it, the faster your account gets cleared. Step 3. Meta will ask you to verify your identity using one of several methods. The most common option is to confirm via the email address or phone number linked to your Facebook and Messenger account. Check your email inbox or your text messages for a verification code from Meta. Enter that code exactly as it appears in the prompt and submit it. This tells Meta's system that a real person who owns the account is in control, and not an automated bot or unauthorized user. Step 4. If Meta asks you to upload a photo ID as part of the identity confirmation, this is completely normal for accounts that have been more heavily flagged. You can submit a government-issued ID such as a passport or driver's license through Meta's secure verification portal. Meta states that this information is used only for identity confirmation and is deleted after review. Once submitted, the review process typically takes anywhere from a few hours up to a few days, depending on how many cases Meta is currently processing. Step 5. While your identity confirmation is being reviewed, check whether your Facebook account has any separate notifications or alerts waiting in the support inbox. Open Facebook, go to your menu, scroll down to Help and Support and tap Support Inbox. Meta sometimes sends additional instructions or requests more information through this inbox, and missing those messages can delay your case from being resolved. Step 6. If the verification prompt keeps reappearing even after you completed the confirmation steps, log out of Messenger completely and log back in. On Android, go to your profile icon inside Messenger, scroll to the bottom and tap Logout. On iPhone, do the same through the profile menu. Once you are fully logged out, log back in with your Facebook credentials and check whether the restriction has been lifted after your identity confirmation was processed. Step 7. Clear Messenger's cache after logging back in, especially on Android. Go to Settings, tap Apps, find Messenger, tap Storage, and hit Clear Cache. Sometimes the confirmation prompt gets stuck displaying even after Meta has already cleared your account on the backend. And clearing the cache forces the app to refresh its data and reflect your actual current account status correctly. Step 8. If you have completed all the verification steps, waited the required time, and your account is still restricted from sending messages, go directly to Meta's official help center at facebook.com/help and submit a formal support request explaining the situation. Be clear and straightforward in your message. State that you completed the identity verification process, include the approximate date you first saw the prompt, and ask for a manual review of your account status. Human review from Meta's support team can resolve cases that the automated system is slow to clear on its own. Here is your pro tip for today. The best way to avoid this identity confirmation prompt showing up again in the future is to make sure your Facebook account always has an up-to-date phone number and email address attached to it, and that two-factor authentication is fully enabled. Accounts that have strong verified contact information and active security settings are far less likely to get flagged by Meta's automated systems in the first place. Go into your Facebook settings, tap security and login, and make sure everything is current and verified right now before this happens to you again. And that is your complete guide to fixing the Messenger confirm your identity to send messages problem. To recap, you understood why the prompt appears, engaged with the verification process immediately rather than ignoring it, confirmed your identity through email or phone code, submitted an ID if requested, checked your support inbox for any follow-up from Meta, logged out and back in after verification, cleared your cache, and submitted a support request if the issue persisted. Follow those steps in order and you will get this resolved. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss another fix guide. And let me know in the comments, did Meta ask you for a code or did they ask for a full ID verification? Your experience could really help someone else watching this right now. See you in the next one.